Hi boys and girls, we're ready for another OG lesson. Let's review some of our silent E rule and some of our suffixes on our words that we've learned. You can either read them at the same time or echo me. Here we go. Line, like, shine, save, date, plate, ledge. I see a suffix, so let's cover up and read the base word first. Brush, as, brushes. Here's our suffix. Melt, ed, melted. Remember, our ed means in the past. It already happened. Yesterday, the snow melted. And our es means more than one. And when a word ends in ch, sh, sx, or z, add es and you'll please me. And remember, our silent E hops over one consonant to make that vowel say its name. Let's go back and read these a little bit stronger, a little bit smoother. You read them at the same time as me. Line, like, shine, save, date, plate, ledge, brushes, melted. Can we read these again? If you have ever built a snow fort, have you tried? Even if you tried, read them aloud. Line, like, shine, save, date, plate, ledge, brushes, melted. Let's see, I'm thinking of a word, and it's when maybe you don't spend your money. Instead of spending, you're going to hold on to it. That's called save, right? I'm thinking of a word, and it's a synonym. It means the same as a dish that you eat off of. Plate, right? I'm thinking of a word, and it's this. A straight, what do you call this mark down? It's a line, right? I'm thinking of a word, and you see something bright, like a flash of something. When you see something bright like a star, shine, right? All right, this time I want you to shout out the word before I exit out. Here we go. Melted, date, ledge, brushes, shine, save, plate, like, line. We've got something brand new today. We're going to learn another vowel with our silent E that hops over one consonant to make the vowel say its name. This time it's O. O, consonant E, as in home. That's our key word. O, consonant E. So I don't have any words here. I just have syllables. We're just going to get used to seeing and reading these families, these syllables. Here we go. Remember, the E is silent. It hops over one consonant to make the O say its name of O. Right? Here we go. You echo me. Obe, oak, ol. I know it sounds funny. Ohm, ode, own. I know you want to say that's one, but remember, this isn't a word right now. It's just part of a word, a syllable. Own, ope, oat, ove, o's. Let's go back and try reading these syllables, these word parts, a little bit smoother. Here we go. Obe, oak, ol, ohm, ode, own. Ope, oat, ove, o's. You're going to see these in words that we make this week. Can we read these syllables, these word parts, one more time as loud as you can? Here we go. Obe, oak, ol, ohm, own. Ope, oat, ove, O's. So our new syllable, O, consonant E, O, silent E. Well, let's get our paper ready. Today's date, February the 3rd, 2021. All right, here we go. Write me the lowercase letters that say K, as in duck. I hear it at the end of a one-syllable word after one short vowel. K is spelled C-K. Write me the lowercase letters that say J, as in bridge. At the end of a one-syllable word after one short vowel, J is spelled D-G-E. Write me the lowercase letter that says aw, as in ox. Is that short vowel sound, O, ah. Write me the lowercase letter that says E, as in funny, in a two-syllable word. Y says E, it's acting like that E. Write me the lowercase letters that say I, as in bike. How do we get that I sound? I, consonant E. That silent E hops over and makes the I say I. Write me the lowercase letters that say sh, as in ship. Right. Write me the lowercase letters. It's a suffix. It comes at the end of the word. It alters the meaning, and it means more than one. And it says is. When a word ends in CH, SH, SX, or Z, add ES and you'll please me. It says is, like foxes and boxes. Write me the lowercase letters, and it's a suffix that comes at the end of the word, and it says ing, and it means right now. Right now you are writing. I-N-G says ing. It means right now it's happening. Write me the lowercase letters that say ch, as in catch. At the end of a one-syllable word after one short vowel, ch is spelled T-C-H. Write me the lowercase letters, and it's a suffix that comes at the end of the word, and it means it already happened in the past. It has three sounds, ed, d, or t. It happened already in the past. It's that E-D. Write me the lowercase letters that say A, as in cake. How do we get that A sound? A, consonant E says A. Write me the lowercase letters that say S or Z, and it can mean more than one. Like cats or dogs, it's our suffix, just the S. All right, let's get ready to tap some words out. Here we go. The first word is like. Ready? Like. 3 sounds, but 4 letters. How do we get that I sound? Like. And remember, it's just a K, because this E is only hopping over one consonant. And it's got to be that strong K. All right. Our next word is same. Here we go. Same. 3 sounds, but 4 letters. How do we get that A sound? Same. What makes that A? That silent E. Our next word has a suffix, so let's tap the base word first. Mix. Mix. That's easy. Mix. Now let's add to it, mixing. Right now I am mixing up pancakes. ING means right now. Our last one, the base word first, lift. Really hear the end. Lift. Ooh, I hear all 4 sounds. Lift. Lift. Now let's add to it. What if I said yesterday I lifted up the couch? It already happened in the past. So what do we need? That ED. That says ed. Our base word ends in a T, so we know this is ed, lifted. Let's go back and read these words together. You read them at the same time. Like, same, mixing, lifted. Okay, at our diamond, we're going to be now working on that new silent E sound. O, consonant E says O. O, consonant E says O. O, consonant E says O, as in home. All right, let's flip over our paper. Now remember, today we're not writing real words. We're just going to practice that vowel sound, that syllable, that word part. Here we go. Write me the word part, the syllables that says ohm. What do you hear? That O, consonant E, but we hear that ohm. Right. That's just part of a word. Our next word part, our next syllable, ode. Ode. But what do we need? We need that silent E that hops over one consonant, makes the O say O. Silent E. Our next syllable says O's. O's. I hear that Z, that silent E makes the O say O. Our last one, ope. Ope. Remember, silent E makes the O say O. Let's go back and read these syllables. Here we go. Ohm, ode, O's, ope. All right, we have a brand new memory word today. It's a little toughie. Let's look at it. W-R-I-T-E. Says write. Like I will write my name. Now you might be wondering, why did I cross this out? Because we don't hear it. Write. It's a silent W, but we have to remember to put it. So let's skywrite. This is hard. Oh, but it has a magic E that makes the I say I. So we know that. We just got to remember that silent letter. Here we go. Let's look at it. W-R-I-T-E says write. W-R-I-T-E says write. W-R-I-T-E says write. Let's write the word write. Let's spell it out loud. W-R-I-T-E says write. W-R-I-T-E says write. W-R-I-T-E says write. W-R-I-T-E says write. Okay, let's skywrite 2 more times. Let's look at it. Here we go. W-R-I-T-E says write. W-R-I-T-E. Can you do it with your eyes closed? W-R-I-T-E. Can we try it without looking? And then we'll check it. How did you do? Now, do you remember that memory word more? We see it in math a lot. More, M-O-R-E. It has a silent E. We kind of hear it more. More. That means bigger. I would like more pancakes. Do you remember that number word 2? Ooh, can you do it? It's the only 2 that has a W in it. T-W-O says 2. You can even put the little 2 if you want. All right, Let's get ready for our sentence. Let's go ahead and write cops. It might be a telling sentence with a period. It might be an asking sentence with a question mark. It might be a sentence to show expression with the exclamation point. All right, so we start on the left, we go to the right. Here's our sentence, just listen. My bike is big and red. Oh, that's not hard to write. Let's count our words. My bike is big and red. 6 words. Think about how we start. We need our capital for my. My. Leave good space. Bike. Ooh. Bike. How do we get that I sound? Ike. We need that strong K because we have a silent E that hops over, makes the I say I. My bike is big. I don't think we need to tap out big. Check your B. Big and red. I don't think we need to tap out red. Ed. Make sure you have a D. Now I'm telling you my bike is big and red. So it's a telling sentence. Just a period. Let's count our words. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 words. My bike is big and red. Good job today, boys and girls.